Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and guess what? It's another fall tutorial. This is a look that we are going to be recreating. It's not really recreating anything from another post, it's just something that popped up in my head and we got into it. We will be working with the Urban Decay palette today, and that's the only palette that I'm actually going to be using, which is a bonus if you guys have that. I know a lot of people don't have it, but the colors in the palette are really basic, no offense, but they're like, you know, they're very warm tones, and you can really find them just about in any palette. Like, it's a very basic palette, but if you guys do have it, well then you will find all the colors that I use on that palette. So if you guys want to see how I do this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start on our eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and put a base on my concealer. I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and mine is in the color, where's the color? CW06. It doesn't really have a name. It's just CW06. This is what it looks like, and we're just going to put that on our lids and blend it out. And now to set my eyelids, I'm going to use the Cover All Pressed Powder from Wet n Wild in the color Light Medium 824B. Okay, so the palette that we're going to be using today is the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay. And we're going to go in the color He Devil, which is this one right here. Sorry about the mirror. But we're going to go into that color, and we're going to use that as our transition color. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is going to be a halo eye. That's why I'm going into the inner and outer corner a little bit heavy. But now we're going to go in the color En Fuego and Ashes. I'm going to mix those two together, and I'm going to add that deeper right here into the outer corner and the inner corner, and kind of tightly into the actual crease line. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the halo sections part. I don't know how do you call that. But we're going to use the Pro Conceal Concealer from LA Girl in the color Natural. Okay guys, now that we got our eyes to the way that we wanted, I did spend a little time blending on the outer and inner corners just so that it'll fit and blend really good. But now we're just going to move on to our face. So to start off my face, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Next, I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just going to apply that. For foundation, I'm going to go in my Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation in the color Sun Beige, which is 310. Okay, next we're going to do concealer, and as always I'm going to go in the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer shade Medium and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Sand. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Luxie Powder Banana Powder from Makeup Revolution. To bronze up my face, I'm going to be using the Hoola from Benefit bronzer. For highlight, I'm going to be going in my Anastasia Glow Kit in the Sun Dipped one. And I'm going to use the Bronze and the Summer. I'm going to mix those two. To finish this off, I'm going to go in my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the color Mellow Wine. I almost forgot to put blush. Well guys, this is a finished look. Take a look. Yes, cute. Very fallish, right? Warm tones, super cute. This like fits my whole mood. I'm like a killer for anything warm tone. It's just so cute. But this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video once you're done. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.